Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at this mini projector fog lamp or an auxiliary light. So I got this for price of 1500 on Amazon. It's a Chinese product, as you can see. Behind we have some of the specifications. So it works between a range of 9 to 24 volts. So it'll work with your 12 volt battery in your car or your bike. The current draw is 1.1 amps. This, I don't know what this lifespan actually states. It's saying 4000 hours, but I don't know how much exactly it will last for. Maybe 1 day or 1 year or 2 years. Next thing, the lumen is 4000 lumens. The wattage is 22 watts per unit or bulb. The fan rotation is 12,000 rpm. The range for the light reach is 220 meters. I doubt if it's that much. And yeah, just tells you some random vehicles over here where you can use it. So let's just go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. The same picture is there on the inside. We have some nuts and bolts over here, some Allen bolts and a normal, I think this is a 12 mm bolt, 12 or 14 mm, I'm not sure. So this is what you get to fix this onto your bike or wherever. Next we have the fog light itself. So this is the size of the fog light. So before we get to that, there's one more thing here. These are the clamps that they provide. As you can see on the picture, this is the bracket, and this is how it's supposed to be. Maybe you can even put it this way on your bike next to your headlight or on your forks. So I'll just keep this aside. I'll get back to that in a second. So this is the fog light itself. It's a very small unit. I have a scale over here just to show you the size. So from the back of the unit till the front of the projector lens, it is 5.5 centimeters. If you can see, the width of the thing is 3.4 centimeters. So the diameter here is 3.4 centimeters. The length is 5.5 centimeters. And yeah, then this is I think some voltage converter or stabilizer or something. It's a small box that's also about 4.5 centimeters and 1.5 centimeters height, and 4.5 is the length. So if you don't have space to fit this, maybe you can zip tie this on your fork or somewhere behind the headlight. So okay, that's for the later part where I install this on my bike. But quickly, let me remove both the units out and show you the light pattern. So these are the two units. So I already have my 12 volts 1.7 amps adapter over here, which I use for my tire inflator. So this is connected to my wall socket. So I'm just quickly going to show you how the light pattern is. I'll just show you one of the lights. So here we have 3 wires. So this red wire is for the white light. The yellow wire is for the yellow light, and this is the ground or earth. So before I actually project it onto the wall, I will quickly attach one of the brackets over here. So you have 2 Allen bolts which will go on either side of the fog light. So you can mount it any way you want. You can either mount it this way or this way or this way. So because there are screw holes on all 4 sides. So for demonstration right now, I'll just quickly put this way and tighten it with my hand itself. Okay, so I'll just tighten it a little bit so that it doesn't move. Okay, so then I'll place it this way over here. Okay, actually I should have not put the wire the other way. Okay, but doesn't matter. So firstly I'll connect the ground wire to the ground lead, and this is the high beam or the white light. So yeah, this is connected over here. You can see, I'll just show you on the wall the pattern. So maybe my screen is flickering a bit now, but that's because of multiple lights with different frequencies. So this is basically your high beam. I'll show you the low beam now. So that's the low beam, and this is the high beam. Now if you want both together, I will show you that. So that is both the lights together, and if you can hear the sound, there is a fan which is running. I don't know if you can hear the sound. That's how it looks. The focus is really bright. Actually, it's brighter than some of the bigger lights that I have, and yeah, it's like a oval eye shape pattern. Now the further you go, the more it spreads, so you'll have to accordingly put it on your bike. This part over here, there's a thing which you can open, but you cannot adjust the zoom or the focus of this light. That is one of the bad parts of this. Otherwise, if you set it one way, this is really good. I will also connect the other light and show you. So guys, I've connected both the lights over here. You can see the pattern is somewhat like this. The second light, I've connected both the wires, the yellow and the red, so you can see the low beam as well as the high beam over here. The camera actually isn't doing justice to how bright the lights are. So yeah, because the wire having a loose connection, you can see it's flickering. Okay, so this is what the pattern looks like. I'll quickly also show you one more thing here. So on the box it states that the current draw of this is 1.1 amps. So I'm quickly going to check that with my multimeter here. So for that, even if in case you have a multimeter, what you can do is you have your leads over here. Either you can connect it to your adapter or your car battery directly. So what you need to do is, on your multimeter, you can just put your leads accordingly to the amp reading and put it on this setting here. Always best to put it on the highest setting so that you don't damage your multimeter. Next, you can connect the positive lead to the positive of the multimeter, and the negative of the LED will go to the ground or of your adapter. Next thing what you need to do is connect your negative from the multimeter directly onto your light, which is the positive lead of your light. So once you do that, you can see the reading on the multimeter. So when I hold the wire firmly, you can see that what they're saying is true. It is it's actually less than 1.1 amp per bulb. So I'll quickly check this second one also so that we can be sure. So again, you have your two leads from your adapter. So the positive lead will go to the positive of the multimeter, and the negative of the LED will go to the negative of the adapter. And then all you need to do is the negative or the common from the multimeter will go to the positive of the LED. So when you do that, you can see exactly here it's showing 1.1, which is accurate. So the other one was showing 1.08 over 0.6. This is showing 1.08. Yeah, so it fluctuates between 1.06 and 1.1 amps. So what they're saying on the box over here is true. You can ignore all the spelling mistakes, but what they're saying is true. Only thing, I don't know how long this light will last. That's doubtful, but I hope it lasts for a long time. So what I can conclude is that these lights are pretty solid. It's made of aluminium, and the quality of the projector itself is also good, and cable quality is good. And yeah, I can say that it's pretty good for 1500. Your HJC or HJG and your Mad Dog lights are, you know, very expensive compared to this, around 3 to 4,000. But again, you get the quality in that as well, better quality. So that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe for more content like this, and stay tuned for the next video where I will install these lights on my bike. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if in case you want to buy this light, I have the link in the description, so please check it out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.